Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Do you like to make your own homemade things like kombucha, beer, or vanilla extract? Well, you're in for a treat with these beautiful glass amber bottles by YEBODA. I like to use my YEBODA bottles to make homemade vanilla extract for my family and friends. We like the amber glass for its darkness in filtering light and protecting the saturation of our vanilla in vodka or rum. I appreciate the bottles are made of non-toxic materials and most importantly have a super strong cap that I need two hands to close. The 16 ounce is a perfect size for macerating one batch of vanilla extract. And I like to give my vanilla extract a good shake once a week, and the seal is so tight. There are no leaks, and then it goes right back into the cabinet to finish the maceration process. I love these YEBODA bottles for my vanilla extract. I know you will love them too, but that's just my point of view.